Do you know how to create an Apple ID? It's your gateway to a universe of services from Apple, including the App Store, iCloud, iMessage, and more. Here's a simple, step-by-step guide to create your very own Apple ID. First, fire up your favorite web browser. Visit the official Apple ID account creation page. You can find this at appleid.apple.com/account. Next, you'll need to provide some personal information. This includes your first and last name. Be sure to use accurate information here. Now, you'll choose an email address. This will serve as your Apple ID and will be used for all account-related communications. Choose a valid email address that you check regularly. Then it's time to create a secure password. Apple has some specific requirements to ensure your password is strong. It should be a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Don't forget this password, or better yet, store it securely. You'll need to verify the password next by re-entering it. This makes sure it matches your first entry. Up next are security questions. Choose 3 and provide answers. These are used to verify your identity if you ever forget your password. You'll then enter your date of birth. Next, you'll see Apple's terms and conditions and privacy policy. Read these carefully. If you agree, check the box and click Agree to continue. Sometimes, to verify you're human and not a bot, you'll need to complete a CAPTCHA or other verification method. A verification code will then be sent to the email address you provided. Retrieve this code from your email and enter it on the Apple ID creation page. You'll also have an option to enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code sent to your trusted devices when logging in. And with that, you've created your Apple ID. You can now sign in on Apple devices and access a variety of Apple services. So, to recap, start by visiting the Apple ID creation page. Fill in your personal information and choose an email address to use as your Apple ID. Create and verify a secure password. Choose and answer 3 security questions. Enter your date of birth. Agree to Apple's terms and conditions. Verify your humanity. Retrieve and enter the verification code sent to your email. Optionally, enable two-factor authentication. And voila, you have an Apple ID. Remember, your Apple ID is the key to unlock a world of services from Apple. So keep your account secure and enjoy the benefits. Happy Apple exploring!